Inside, the center console of your Ford may feature an available charging pad. It allows you to charge a wide variety of compatible devices, such as smartphones of various sizes, with built-in wireless charging capability. It can help maintain a full charge while streaming music or making calls through the available Sync 3 system. Let me show you how easy it is to use. First, you can charge the device even if the vehicle is turned off. Just make sure that accessory mode is turned on. Before placing the phone on the charging pad, be sure to remove any coins or metal devices. Place the device face up on the pad. The pad automatically senses and begins charging the device. Some phone cases may cause interference and may need to be removed before charging. Keep in mind that not all phones are compatible with wireless charging, and the rate of charging will depend on the device. If you have any questions about wireless charging, please leave us one in the comments.